Irish wedding cake. A dessert from Ireland. Serves 4. You will need 15 ingredients. Step 1. Grease a 12-inch tin and align it with 3 layers of greaseproof paper, extending about 2 inches above the top of the tin. Then tie a thick band of folded newspaper around the outside of the tin to protect the edge of the cake from overcooking. Mix
and have
dried
a suitable
fruit with
sized
half piece
cherries
of brown
and the peel
paper
with a
to put over the
tablespoon or
cake if
2
it
of
is
the
in
flour
danger of
involved.
overbrowning. Note: cake will be done when a toothpick inserted into center comes out clean. Step 3. In another bowl, sift flour, salt and the spices. Step 4. In a third bowl, cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add molasses, zests and vanilla. Step 5. To this mixture, add the eggs, one by one with a tablespoonful of flour with each and beat well. Fold in the fruit and remaining flour plus the brandy. Mix well. Step 6. Turn mixture into the prepared tin, smooth down with tablespoon making a slight hollow in the center. You may leave the cake overnight or till ready to bake. Step 7. Preheat oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake cake in center of the oven for 1.5 hours. Reduce heat to 275 degrees Fahrenheit for the remaining baking time or until the top of cake feels
8.
firm to the touch.
Cool
Toothpick
cooked
comes
cake in
out
tin,
clean
then
and
remove
dry.
paper and turn
Watch
upside
cake as
down
it
onto a
bakes.
board.
Cover
Make
if it
small
looks like it
holes
might
into the cake
overbrown
with
skewers and pour on some extra brandy. Step 9. When brandy is absorbed, wrap cakes in a double layer of greaseproof paper and then a layer of foil. Seal and store in airtight container and place in a cool place for at least a month. Cake should be finished at least 2 weeks prior to culture, flavors will mellow. Travel. Ice with royal ice.